So Ben, IoT, the Internet of Things, obviously these are devices connected to the network. Back in wartime, really, that was only telephones, but nowadays it's production lines, manufacturing lines. We have a lot of clients in these areas. So how do you protect from security concerns?
It's segmenting an IoT device onto a separate network. So if they have an issue, it doesn't compromise your main network. Or if one of your users has an issue, it doesn't compromise the IoT, which could, in this case, be your manufacturing network.
So you're removing those pesky users that click phishing links from the crown jewels?
Yes, because the manufacturing kit makes the money for the business. The users might process the order, but the manufacturing kit needs to maintain production.
And then effectively, as most of them are just mini computers, do the same proactive controls still apply?
Yes, to what's permissible. Each IoT device will differ, but yes, you must patch it, you must protect it, you must update it.
Cheers, Ben.